Hi guys, thank you for joining me today. I'm going to show you my beads collection. This is going to be a long one, so let's get started. I'm going to show you container by container. I don't have it organized in any certain way. I just throw them where there's a space. Let me know how you guys organize your beads. But this is how I have them right now. So this first container here has some gemstones, your rose quartz, your smoky quartz, shell beads, and some acrylics. This one, and some plastic beads. I bought a bulk. Um, it was like a lady was selling all her collection of beads in Mercari. So I bought everything from her, and this was pretty much her collection. And these beads kind of came these, few of these came in her collection. So that's what I have. And then the bottom section of this container has a few different beads, and I like how she kept her beads. She put it in little plastic baggies so that they stay nice and safe. I like these little glass flowers here. Let's see if I can pick one out and show you. Oh. There we go. Like this. Okay. And then I got some African glass beads there, some more gemstones here, and then some vintage glass down here. Okay, so that's our first container. Let's move on to our second. Okay, so these two containers, I got them from Dollar Tree. I have sort of smaller beads, and beads that I have it in smaller amounts are here. Some evil eyes. These beads are supposed to change color based on your emotions. It's pretty cool. And then some more gemstones here. Some more gemstone beads or chips, gemstone chips. The next box has like different shaped beads. I think they're called lampwork. Not sure. Are these called lampwork? Lampwork beads. And briolettes. I believe these sparkly ones are briolettes. I think they look really cute when you wire wrap them and make it into like little charms or pendants. And this container holds my lampwork beads and beads that have like patterns and drawings on them. And some clay beads here. Here's the next one with the glass beads, rondelles, and round beads. They're of different sizes. And I got some crystals here. Most of them are Swarovski crystals, crystal passions. I don't have any Preciosa yet in my collection, but I'm pretty sure I will be getting them in the future. Let's pull some more of these out. And some charms. And some more charms. These are a little heavy though. they're pretty big in size. I use them just on special pieces. And some big ones here. Okay. And then I have these beads. I call them Tibetan beads. I'm not exactly sure what they're called, but I got a few of these. I have them in the baby food container. These are, nice plastic containers that I couldn't get rid of them, so I use them to store my beads. And I wanted to quickly show you guys these beads that I got from Dollar Tree. I've never bought any beads from there, but I've been wanting to make something with the words, those bead stretch bracelets with words that you see everywhere. So I wanted to try making those, and I thought this may work. These are very light, so I'm pretty sure they're plastic for sure, but let me know if you guys have worked with them before and how they turned out to be. That's all the beads that I'm going to show you guys for today. We will probably have to do part 2 of this video because the rest of my beads are not organized. So once I have them organized, we'll do another video. And that's it for now, guys. Have a good day. Bye.